if he truly wants a reset, no, with the Filipino people. Kasi ang goal ng pag-ask ng courtesy resignation is to signal to the public, to signal to the Filipino people na ikaw ay magre-reset ng iyong administrasyon. And yet, by keeping his economic team, it is a signal na same old tayo. Walang pagbabago, no, na mangyayari sa ating ekonomiya. And finally, speaking of tourism, the tourism secretary is still there. And unfortunately, nothing personal kay Secretary Frasco, the thing is, the tourist arrivals na nakikita natin has not recovered, at levels na nakita natin prior to the pandemic. So ibig sabihin, while tumataas naman po yung ating tourist arrivals, hindi pa rin niya nahahabol, no, yung level bago dumating yung pandemya. Pero yung mga kapitbahay natin, narating na po yung level na yun. So clearly, merong problema, no, sa leadership natin sa Department of Tourism. Kaya again, I was surprised why the Tourism Secretary was retained. No?